Here's how I broke a 5-year addiction to distractions in just 7 days. For 5 years, I wasn't living. I was escaping, scrolling, binge-watching, overthinking, every uncomfortable moment gone with a swipe. I kept telling myself I'd stop tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. Until I did something radical. I gave myself 7 days. No dopamine hacks, no fake motivation, just one goal: reclaim control. Day 1, deleted every app I ran to when I was bored. No dopamine diet, a dopamine fast. Even music was off the table. Silence became my medicine. Day 2, sat alone, 10 minutes. No phone, no stimulation. It was brutal, but that pain? It was my attention span waking up. Day 3, I journaled. Not fancy quotes, just raw thoughts. For the first time, I heard my own mind. It wasn't pretty, but it was real. Day 4, watched the sunrise, felt time slow down, and I realized I'd forgotten what it meant to just exist. Day 5, read a book. No skimming, no rushing. Every page felt like a protest against the world's noise. Day 6, did one hard thing, a cold shower, not for discipline, for control. Control over that voice that says skip it. Day 7, I checked my screen time from 6 hours to 22 minutes, not because I forced it, but because I didn't need it anymore. And just like that, a 5-year habit was gone. Not because I changed my apps, because I changed me. If you're still here, maybe you're ready too. Days, no shortcuts, just presence. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.